When you've been injured in an accident, you may be wondering if you need to hire a St. Thomas personal injury lawyer. The answer depends on the severity of your injuries and the circumstances surrounding your accident. If you've been seriously injured, it's important to have an experienced personal injury lawyer on your side. A personal injury lawyer can help you navigate the legal process and get the compensation you deserve. If you've been in a car accident, for example, a personal injury lawyer can help you recover damages for your medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. An experienced personal injury lawyer will also know how to deal with the insurance companies and get you the best possible settlement. If you have been injured in an accident that wasn't your fault, call us now for a free consultation to discuss if you have a personal injury claim. Our lawyers have been fighting for the rights of those injured in the St. Thomas area for decades.